Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Liam. Together, we'll teach you step by step how to write a clear and effective topic.
This episode is practical, step by step, and full of examples and short exercises you can use right away.
If you like this lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel.
Ready to start? Let's go.
First, we need to be clear about what we mean by a topic.
A topic is a sentence or short group of sentences that tells the reader what the paragraph or essay is mainly about.
The topic guides the reader and helps the writer stay focused.
In simple words, the topic is the main idea, the point you want to communicate.
We will show you how to create that main idea clearly.
Step 1 is to understand the prompt or the purpose of your writing.
If you have an assignment, read the question carefully. Ask, what exactly am I asked to do?
Identify keywords like compare, describe, argue, explain, or discuss.
For example, if the prompt says, describe your daily routine, your purpose is descriptive.
Take a moment to highlight or underline the most important words in the prompt.
This small step saves a lot of time.
Step 2 is brainstorming. Write down ideas quickly. Don't worry about order.
Use bullet points, mind maps, or lists. Put everything that comes to your mind.
If the topic is how to write a topic, brainstorm purpose, audience, examples, steps, mistakes, tips.
Don't judge your ideas at this point. Just collect them.
After 5 to 10 minutes, look at the list and choose the strongest ideas.
Now choose one main idea from your brainstorm. That will be your topic sentence.
The main idea should be specific, not too broad.
Bad topic. School is important. Good topic. Daily reading improves students' vocabulary and focus.
See the difference? The good topic tells what exactly you will discuss.
Your topic sentence should be one clear sentence, ideally 10 to 20 words.
Avoid long, complicated phrases. Keep it direct.
Instead of, there are many reasons why exercise is good, say, regular exercise reduces stress and improves sleep.
Shorter and clearer is usually stronger.
A good topic sentence often has a controlling idea that tells what the paragraph will cover.
Daily reading improves vocabulary and focus. The controlling ideas are improves vocabulary and improves focus.
These controlling ideas will become the supporting sentences.
Think about your reader or listener. Use words they understand.
For example, if your audience is teenagers, use simple language and examples they know.
Relevance increases interest and clarity.
Choose verbs and nouns that are strong and specific. Avoid vague words like things or stuff.
Instead of people get better, say students improve test scores.
Strong words paint a clear picture.
Make sure the topic is not too broad or too narrow.
Education is important is too broad. Reading one book a week improves vocabulary is specific and manageable.
A good topic is something you can explain in one paragraph or one essay, depending on the assignment.
After you write a draft topic sentence, revise it. Read it aloud.
Ask yourself, is it clear? Is it specific? Does it match the assignment?
If not, change words, shorten, or make it more precise.
Now it's practice time. We'll give several prompts, write topic sentences, and analyze them.
Prompt 1. Explain the benefits of daily exercise.
Brainstorm quickly. Energy, mood, health, sleep, focus.
Possible topic sentence. Daily exercise improves energy levels, boosts mood, and enhances sleep quality.
This sentence is specific, lists controlled ideas, and is suitable for one paragraph.
Prompt 2. Discuss the disadvantages of social media.
Addiction, privacy issues, misinformation, anxiety, distraction.
Topic sentence. Social media can cause addiction, spread misinformation, and increase anxiety among users.
Good. The scope is manageable, and the controlling ideas are clear.
Now it's your turn. Pause this episode, Write 2 topic sentences from your own prompts and come back.
We'll wait. Take a minute.
Welcome back. How was it?
Great! Now we continue with more tips and common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Being too vague.
Technology is bad. Too vague. Fix: over-reliance on smartphones reduces face-to-face communication skills.
Mistake 2. Too broad.
Education is important. Too broad. Fix: access to quality early childhood education improves long-term academic outcomes.
Mistake 3. Too many ideas in one sentence.
Exercise helps health, mood, sleep, brain, and weight. Better to focus 2 or 3 controlling ideas.
If you have many ideas, split them into multiple paragraphs.
After your topic sentence, each supporting sentence should explain or give evidence for one controlling idea.
Topic: daily reading improves vocabulary and focus.
Support 1. Reading new words in context helps learners remember vocabulary.
Support 2. Regular reading trains the brain to concentrate for longer periods.
Each support should include an example or a short explanation.
Use transition words to connect your topic to the supporting sentences. First, for example, in addition, therefore.
For example, reading storybooks exposes readers to new vocabulary.
Good transitions make your paragraph smooth and easy to follow.
A good paragraph ends with a concluding sentence that summarizes or reinforces the topic.
In short, daily reading strengthens vocabulary and concentration, which benefits students academically.
The conclusion can also link to the next paragraph if you are writing an essay.
Adjust your language to your audience. Formal for academic essays, casual for blog posts or spoken presentations.
Use active voice when possible. Students read more, instead of more reading is done by students.
Vary sentence length to keep readers interested. Mix short and longer sentences.
Let's write a full paragraph together from a topic sentence and build supporting sentences.
Topic idea: technology in classrooms improves learning when used correctly.
Topic sentence: when used appropriately, classroom technology enhances student engagement and supports personalized learning.
Support 1. Interactive tools such as quizzes and simulations keep students active and interested.
Support 2. Adaptive learning software can give each student tasks at the right difficulty level.
Support 3. Moreover, technology provides immediate feedback, helping students correct mistakes quickly.
Conclusion: therefore, appropriate use of classroom technology increases engagement and supports better learning outcomes.
Quick checklist.
1. Is the sentence clear?
2. Is it specific?
3. Does it have a controlling idea?
4. Is it appropriate for the audience?
5. Is the scope right? Not too big, not too small.
If the answer to all is yes, you have a strong topic sentence.
When you say your topic aloud, slow down, pronounce clearly, and add a small pause after the sentence.
Emphasize key words, verbs and nouns that show the main idea.
Practice reading your topics with expression. It helps listeners and graders understand your point.
Let's recap the steps quickly.
1. Understand the prompt.
2. Brainstorm ideas.
3. Choose one clear main idea.
4. Make it specific and concise.
5. Add controlling ideas.
6. Revise and check scope.
If you follow these steps, your topic sentences will be strong and clear.
One last exercise. We give a prompt and you write one topic sentence. Ready?
Prompt: benefits of learning a second language.
Take 10 seconds to write your sentence.
Welcome back. Here is an example. Learning a second language improves cognitive abilities and opens job opportunities.
Great work. Keep practicing.
Thank you so much for listening to this long lesson about writing topic sentences.
If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English.
Also, leave a comment with one topic sentence you wrote. We will read and give feedback in the next episode.
See you next time. Keep writing and keep practicing. Bye!
Bye!